Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to rename a table in database. First you have to open Jump. So Jump has opened. So I have a database named university, so click on it. So it has multiple tables, so I want to rename the table name. So to rename this table, just click on SQL. To rename a table, the command is rename table, the table name to new table name. So rename table, name of the table to new table name. Rename table name is dem. Rename table dem to new table name is, I want to give the name is table 1 semicolon. Go, just refresh it. So the table 1, the table name has changed. So to rename this manually, select the table and go to operations. So here is the rename table to, just change the name which you want to do. So I want to give the name is just rename table, and then go, here you change the name of the table, rename the table here and go. You can see the name of the table changed again. So this is